A rectangle is 173 meters long and 106 meters high. Find the angle between diagonal and the longer side. So to model the situation described, we're going to have to draw a rectangle. And it is said that 173 meters is the longest side, so we can label this as 173, and this height we can label as 106. And we need to find the angle between the diagonal, so we need to draw the diagonal. Let's draw this diagonal. So this is a diagonal of this rectangle, and it says find the angle between the diagonal and the longer side. So basically this angle between the longer side 173 and the diagonal is the one that we need to find. And notice that since this is a rectangle, we have a right angle right here, okay? Because all adjacent sides in a rectangle are perpendicular to each other, right? So this must be a right angle. Now the easiest way to solve it is to see that since this is a right triangle, we can use right triangle trigonometry, meaning we can use the tangent, and precisely we can use ArcTangent function to find the missing angle, because we know that tangent of alpha is equal to 106 being divided by 173, right? The opposite side divided by the adjacent side. We can find the angle directly. So that means the alpha can be solved for using the arctangent, right? Arctangent of both sides gives you the alpha, right? So basically what I mean is that if we take the arctangent of the tangent of alpha on both sides, it should give us the answer, right? Because the left side turns into the alpha. You know, the arctangent of the tangent gives you the input itself, the alpha, the angle in degrees, right? So that's going to be arctangent of 106 over 173. So if you use your calculator and making sure you're in the degree mode, 106 divided by 173, taking the arctangent of that, gives you 31.49649,991, right? So if you round it to the nearest tenth, you will get about 31.5. Okay, so that would be the angle in degrees. Making sure that you indicate that this is going to be angle in degrees. Now, this is just the way I see right away. You could have also used the law of cosines if you found the hypotenuse using the Pythagorean theorem, right? Then you would have had three sides and only one missing angle, right? You could have used law of cosines to find that, but that's more work, right? What I see here is that you can use arctangent right away and find the alpha angle this way. So I hope this was useful and fun. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.